Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. In today's vlog I would be changing my driver's side mirror on my Nissan Micra 1994.
Guys, check this out.
The reason why I'm actually changing this mirror is because it's really hard to see main glass in it. It sits really low, hence why I'm using that little paper thing in there just so I can see. And another thing is this thing is broken, like how you adjust the mirror. I thought let me just get myself a replacement one and just get it replaced. So I've ordered it online and I got it delivered today. Here it is. So let me quickly show you how you can get it replaced. So you can see that I've already taken this cover out. It's very easy to remove. Just get a flat screwdriver, put it in here and just pull it this way and it will come out. Now once you do that, after that it's pretty straightforward. Just a few screws in here, you can see, and the mirror just should come off. This is the mirror that just dropped. I wasn't holding it when I was removing the third screw, but I advise you hold your mirror when you're removing it. And yeah, here it is. That's how easy it is. 3 screws and it's out. Now let's go and let's install the new mirror. So here's the replacement mirror. It did come with 3 screws with it, but I got my own screw, so I will just take this off and use my own screw. Now if you have someone, it's easier if they can hold on this side, you can quickly screw it. But in my case, I just have to help myself. Let me put a screw in there just so it holds on to it. Right, that's in. So at least I know it's not gonna drop. So now that's been installed. Now let me just finish this up by putting this plastic cover back. So the mirror is now installed. I can operate it using my hand and it actually works. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, just do make sure to put a thumbs up and I will see you for my next video. Goodbye.